Wah.
Terus aja nggak apa-apa.
Telling liars. Open your mouth.
Again.
Anak-anak eating sugar. Telling liars. Open your mouth. Baby fingernya mana aku?
Jangan sebelah sini kamu.
Baby finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Mommy finger, mom. Ini maminya. Mommy finger, where are you? How do you do? Daddy finger, where are you?
Daddy finger. Again. Sing.
Daddy yang ini papa.
Ini kan? Ini apa ini? Yang mana? Where? Ini ya, oke.
Daddy finger, where are you? Nyanyi ya.
Anak.
Grandpa. Jadi grandpa finger, where are you? Here I am. Nyanyi apa kita sayang? Nyanyi apa? Baby.
Anak-anak.
Jadi anak-anak eating sugar. Telling liars. Open your mouth. What is this? This is a baby shark or mommy shark?
Blue shark. Where blue shark? This is blue shark. This is yellow shark. Where is red shark? Take it, red shark. Take it. This is red shark.
Red shark. This is red shark. Mana lagi aku?
Ini blue shark. Hana yellow shark. Where is elephant? Orange elephant. Take it. Orange elephant. Take it. Wow, good job.
Orange elephant. Where's brown elephant?
Brown elephant. Where is? Take it. Wow, good job.
Hello Kitty. Yeah. No jam nanti popos perut anak. Where is dinosaur? Wow, mana sa dinosaur aku? Wow, betul.
Gigitnya. Hei.
Jangan lompat-lompat, nak. Nanti popos lagi perut anak. Mau popos? Enggak kan?
Where is number 2?
Mau kemana anak? Tunggu nak. Anak-anak eating sugar.
Oh.
Telling liars. Open your mouth. Mana mata anakku? Mata? Tunjuk sama papa. Mana
Where
mata?
is your eyes? Itu
Nose?
what? What is nose?
Mouth?
Nose.
Mouth?
Where is your teeth? Where is teeth?
Mana titnya nak? Tit? Mana tit anak? Tunjukkan papa anakku. Mana tit anak? Rambut anak mana nak? Rambut
Hair,
anak mana?
hair,
Rambut anak?
hair. Where is your hair?
Where is your hair? Hair. Where is your head? This is a head. Head. This is a hand. Hand. This is a ear. Ear. Eh? You have two ears. This one and this one. So you have two ears. Two ears. Two eyes. 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 Have one nose. One nose. One mouth. Where is your mouth? Where is your mouth? This is my mouth, and this is your mouth. Where is your teeth? Teeth? Where is your hand? Hand.
Nyanyi, nyanyi, nyanyi.
If you happy, clap your hand. Jangan, no jam nak. If you happy, hands your. Nggak tahu juga lupa juga aku. Kalau kau hati senang tepuk tangan. Kalau kau hati senang tepuk tangan. Kalau kau hati senang, mari kita lakukan. Kalau kau hati senang tepuk tangan.
Jangan lupa klik like, subscribe, share, dan tekan gambar lonceng untuk menambah semangat saya dalam berkreasi. Terima kasih.